Let's begin number 17 from the spring 2010 final exam. Small cans of energy drink come in size with a mean weight of 6 fluid ounces and a standard deviation of 0.4 fluid ounces. What percentage of shipment of the 6 fluid ounce cans can be expected to weigh between 5.6 and 6.6 ounces? Now it doesn't actually say this, okay? But yeah, not enough information given. We are going to assume it is normal. So assume normal. Okay. So that's where I want to go with this problem. So let's assume that it's normal, and we're going to make the normal curve. All right. Now we're given that the mean is 6. So let me put the mean here, 6. What else do we know? Okay, I want to find the percentage that between 5.6 and 6.6. So here's 5.6, and then here's 6.6. All right, and I want to find this percentage, or the proportion that's in these regions. Okay, now when you look at the normal table, you see that we associate z values with the percentages. Now we have a formula for the z value, which when I scroll down is right here. Okay, so you can see that it will tell us the percentage between the mean and a specific value, and the distance between the two, that's z. Okay, and so here's the formula we're going to use to find z. But that formula is only going to tell us one region at a time, so we're going to have to do this twice. All right, so let's start with this region here. So the z value is going to be my specific value I'm looking for, which is 6.6. You're going to subtract the mean, which is 6, and then divide by the standard deviation, which if you come back up to the top, it's 0.4. Okay, so let's plug that into the calculator, and we get 1.5. All right, so the distance between 6 and 6.6 has a z value of 1.5. So let's bring up the table again, and you can see a z value of 1.5 is associated with a percentage of 43.3%. Now, please remember that this percentage is between the mean and the specific value. So that 43.3 goes right here. Okay, it's this percentage in here. All right, so now we're going to do it again and find the percentage in this region. So first, we got to find the z value. So we'll do the same thing again. We have z equals our specific value, which is 5.6, minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. And we plug that into the calculator, and we'll get -1. So we have a z value of -1. So we'll bring up the table. All right. The negative doesn't matter. The negative is just telling us the direction. But we have a z value of 1, so that percentage is 34.1%. So in here is 34.1%. Okay, so now if I want to know the percentage between 5.6 and 6.6, I'm going to add these two together. So we have 34.1 plus 43.3, and that's going to equal 77.4%. All right, so my choice here would be D. And again, it is because we are assuming it's normal.